yeah. Got us all fighting for freedom. Hey, yo. Too many dig themselves a grave and all these things come out to play. I wanna feel your nothingness, I'm just a figment in your brain. I remember broski told me that nothing is the same, and now we on the road to righteousness through thunder or the rain. I've got numbers on my mind, work's peak, coming home to off cause on my line. Never needed more hours, but I'm running out of time. Said I got bigger fish to fry. So as I breathe, feel the stress relief. See the best of me, never needed therapy. Just get them reading hella books and then defeat their enemies. This is the reason they are free, this is the reason they are wise. Fighting demons in the rise, so vividly reflected like a simple piece of symmetry. The reasoning with life, no feeding them no lie. No freedom with no fight. There's no freedom with no fight. So there's no freedom with no fighting. We on the road to righteousness. There's no freedom with no fighting. We on the road to nothingness. There's no freedom with no fighting. We on the road to righteousness. There's no freedom with no fighting.
Too much passion in my words, I got freedom like no other. Too much scrapping on the curve, so much grieving for my brother. Got me scoping every angle like I'm keeping undercover. I know I'm a lot to handle, but I'm keeping it 100.
So never kissing, never telling. Listen when I tell him there's no wisdom in accepting till the system is rebelling. We got sisters we defending. Pressure builds like a piston in the engine. Got me infinitely ending. I feel the roots in my fingertips, cluelessly moving ish. Nobody knows what their purpose is. Cutbacks in services, scumbags and murderers. Off man, I burn a bridge. But underestimated values get stuck in the world of my premeditated plans to give up. It's kinda hard to explain, but this path is called pain. It's all target and aim, get your bag, then we cut. Take my mind away and meditate. No second place, no heaven's gate. Just Jevon's fate, yeah. Just Jevon's fate, yeah. Take my mind away and meditate. No second place, no heaven's gate. Just Jevon's fate, yeah. It's just my fate, yeah. So there's no freedom with no fighting. We on the road to righteousness. So there's no freedom with no fighting. We on the road to nothingness. So there's no freedom with no fighting. We on the road to righteousness. So there's no freedom with no fighting.